You finally got your first client. You delivered the project successfully. Now the big question is, how do you turn that one client into long-term income? In this video, I'll share 5 practical strategies that will help you turn one-time projects into repeat freelance work, and build a stable income in 2025. Let's get into it. Overdeliver slightly. The first trick is simple: deliver more than expected, even just a little. Example, if the client asks for 3 social media posts, give them 4. Or add a bonus mockup. Or a short Loom video explaining your work. Clients remember freelancers who add value. Ask the right way. After delivery, ask your client if they need ongoing help. But don't sound pushy. Say something like, "If you have similar projects in the future, I'd love to work with you again." Or, "I also offer monthly content packages if that helps you long term." Plant the seed. Keep the conversation alive. Don't disappear after the job ends. Check in 2 to 3 weeks later with a friendly message: "Hey, name, just checking in, hope the project is going well. Let me know if you need anything else." This keeps you in their mind without being annoying. Offer a retainer package. If your service is repeatable, like content writing, social media, or design, suggest a monthly package. For example, "I can manage 10 Instagram posts per month for you at $X. That way, you don't have to post every week yourself. Clients love convenience. Only stick with quality clients. Not all clients are worth keeping. Repeat work only makes sense when they pay fairly. Communicate well. Respect deadlines. Your goal is long-term growth, not long-term stress. Be selective. One great client can be better than 10 random ones, if you build the relationship right. If this video helped, comment "long-term wins" below. Want a full video on how to create monthly packages for clients? Comment "monthly deals." Subscribe to Earnify Hacks, because we don't just chase clients, we build careers. Pushpin YouTube description: want to turn your first freelance job into long-term income? In this video, I'll show you how to turn one-time clients into repeat clients, and grow your freelancing business the smart way in 2025. Overdelivery strategy. What to say to get repeat work. Retainer packages. Relationship building tips. When to say no to clients. Chart increasing real advice for Upwork, Fiverr, and beyond. Speech balloon comment: long-term wins, if you're serious about growing your freelance career. Bell subscribe for more practical, no-fluff freelancing tips. This is Earnify Hacks, your shortcut to online income success.